Hold it.
Hey guys, I'm out here in Douglasville, Georgia, Douglas County. I just wanted to bring a ranch home to you guys. This ranch home, we have some great incentives on. If you close by the end of the month, meaning the end of September, not the end of this month, that's impossible, but the end of September. If we close by the end of September, the builder has buyer incentives up to $10,000 towards your closing costs and prepays. You heard me, $10,000 towards your closing costs and prepays, as well as a move-in package. That move-in package includes blinds throughout the property, a refrigerator, washer and dryer. Let's go inside, let's take a look. As you see, we have stacked stone. You see stacked stones on the more higher end price homes, because I haven't even told you the starting price for these ranches out here. You ready? This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. The starting price for this property is under $225,000. You heard me, under $225,000. And like I stated, it has an incentive package. It's going to be over 200 homes in this community. It's only 7 closed so far, so that's why prices are still great. But of course, the more you get on the contract, the more the price is going up. So it will be going up. So if you get in the beginning, like I said, you can take advantage of the move-in package, the closing cost incentives, and then look at this huge island with the sink in the middle. You're not going to get this in $230,000 price point. You just not. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath ranch. I usually don't bring a lot of ranches to you guys, but I want to bring some ranch style homes so you guys can see exactly, another style of home besides the 2-story. Because I'm always getting the 2-story homes for you guys, because a lot of people like 2-story, but I still have some ranch lovers. Great, this community is going to be great due to the fact we have ranch style homes, 2-story homes, and like I stated, it's going to be about 200 plus homes in this community, and it has a great amenity package going on in this community. It's going to be swim, tennis, playground for the kids, Olympic field in the community. So you just have to come out, give me a call, 770-885-3790. I'm not going to show you much because I want you to call me so I can bring you back out. But for those who are looking in Douglasville, under $225,000 for a ranch, give me a call, 770-885-3790. And if you want a 2-story, that's an option as well. It's just going to be a higher price point. But give me a call, 770-885-3790. Look at this stacked stone again. It's beautiful. Look at it. You don't see this in this price point. Look at that stone. Beautiful. Beautiful home. Like I stated, I'm not going to show you a lot of it because you need to call, 770-885-3790. Great views out here. Very nice subdivision. Give me a call. Hope you guys have a great holiday weekend.